students, my name is Shazia Khan. Today's subject is Geography, Standard 7. The first chapter of the Geography is How Seasons Occur Part 1. In this chapter, we will study how seasons occur. Before the start of this chapter, we will recall few questions which we studied in the 6th standard. The first questions of the how do day and night occur on the earth? The movement of the earth spinning around itself on its axis, it's called rotation. This is the axis. The earth is moving their axis points, it's called rotation. Now the second question is, what term is used to describe the earth revolution around the sun? Earth spine around its axis. Earth spine around its axis just as a top spine around in the spindle. This spinning movement, when the earth is spinning around their movement, this movement it's called rotation. At the same time that the earth spine on its axis, when the earth is spinning around its axis, it's called rotation. Now the third question is, how long does the earth take to do? The earth takes 365 days and 6 hours to complete one revolution. एक revolution सन को, अर्थ को कंप्लीट करने के लिए कितने दिन लगते हैं? 365 days and 6 hours. Okay. Now fourth question, in which hemisphere is our country located? This is very important questions which we have to know. Our country is located northeastern hemisphere. Where our country is located? Our country is located northeastern hemisphere. Now the last question is fifth question. Why don't the sun rays fall perpendicular at all the places on the earth? The sun rays do not fall perpendicularly at all the place on the earth because the earth is not flat. Earth is not flat but spherical in shape. Shape is a spherical shape. It's not flat, it's a spherical shape. This is the earth orbits. At the same time that the earth spine on its axis, earth is spinning on its axis or revolve around the sun. Revolve means moving around the, revolving around the sun. This movement is called revolutionary movement. Now let's read the lessons and understand. Note the timing of the sunrise and sunset in your area for the following period by direct observations. आपको क्या करना है? ऑब्ज़र्व करना है कि सन कब अराइज हो रहा है, सनसेट कब हो रहा है, using calendar, newspaper or the internet. You can use the calendar, newspaper or the internet. A specimen table has been given below. Record the entire entries for the month of June. Find the answers to the following question and discuss them. All these questions is given for your understanding. You have to solve from your own. Now let's move geographical explanation. You must have noticed the change in the duration of daytime and nighttime from 19 to 28 June. It takes 24 hours for the earth to rotate around itself. It rotates from west to east. The earth rotation has enabled to measure time in terms of days. During a single day, we experience different stages like sunrise, sunset, as well as day time and night time. अर्थ को 24 आवर्स लगते हैं एक रोटेशन कंप्लीट करने के लिए, एंड वन डे वी आर ऑब्जर्विंग सनराइज, मिड डे, sunset, as well as daytime and night time. To understand the changes in the location of sunrise and sunset on the horizon, let us carry out the activity given on the next page. See, this is the activity. This activity you can do at your home also. Let's read the activity and understand. Paste a large white paper on the one side of the table. As you can see in the picture, one side is a table and another side is a torch. Place a torch in front of the table in such a way that it would not move. Stand a rod on a candle between the white paper and the torch, as you can see in the figure. Direct the light beam of the torch in such a way that the shadow of the rod or candle you can use falls on the paper. The shadow of the torch will see in this figure. Mark the positions of the shadow on the paper. What you have to do, you have to do this activity at your home and you have to mark the positions of the torch or candle shadow. Okay. Move the table along with the rod. What you have to do, you have to move the rod or table along, table और कैंडल को आपको टेबल के साथ मूव करना है फ्रॉम वन साइड टू अदर स्लोली. ऑब्जर्व एंड mark the positions of the shadow that fall on the paper. What you have to do, you have to mark the shadow of the torch or candle. Note the changes in the location of the shadow. What the changes you can see in the shadow. Next is geographical explanation. From this activity you will realize that as the position of the table changes, the position of the shadow also changes. When you will move the table, you will see the shadow of the torch or candle will also change. If the position of the sun arise and sunset on the horizon are observed for the whole year, you will realize that they keep on changing. क्या अगर आप पूरे ऑब्जर्व ऑब्ज़र्व करोगे कि सन अराइज कब हो रहा है, सनसेट कब हो रहा है, तो यू विल सी द चेंजेस ऑफ द डे एंड नाइट टाइम. ओके. Let us try to understand the reasons behind this activity with the help of the next activity. See the next activity. After the observation, mark the positions of the shadow for that day. What you have to do, you have to mark the position of the shadow. आपको shadow की position को mark करना है और जब आप टेबल को मूव करते जाओगे तो आपकी पोजीशन में, आपके शेडो में क्या आएगी, चेंजेस आएगी. ओके. इफ़ द पोजीशन ऑफ शेडो चेंजेस, मेजर एंड नोट द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द अर्लियर एंड द चेंजेस पोजीशन. यू हैव टू मार्क द पोजीशन और यू हैव टू सी व्हाट द चेंजेस इज you can see in the shadow. During the period of this activity, observe the place of sunrise and the sunset on the horizon as well. When you will So when you will do this activity, you will observe when the sun arise and the sunset from the horizon to vertically as well. Study the duration of daytime and nighttime on the basis of observation from the table for the month of September. If you want to see the changes of daytime and nighttime, this activity you have to do in the September month. In this month you will get accurate changes in the daytime or nighttime. These two activity you have to do at your home. Thanks for watching this video.